This week we're going on one of our favorite excursions on St. Maarten, a speedboat snorkeling tour.
We've done this same tour a number of times with different companies, but this was the first time with Billy Bones.
And be sure you stay through the end of the video for the bloopers from our day. And just so you know, some of them may not make much sense unless you watch the whole video.
It's like jumping into the middle of a conversation and have no idea what's going on.
Hey guys, we're on a boat. We're going to be going snorkeling and beach hopping and a bunch of other stuff on Billy Bones today. So it looks like we're going to have a pretty full boat here. And we're going to take you along for the ride. It's going to be fun. We've done this trip before with a different company a few years ago.
More than a few years ago.
And we were with some other friends of ours that came with us, geez, 10 years ago, I guess. And that company apparently is no longer around. There's another company that just got, this looks like a little bit bigger boat that does the same tour. So we'll be going to Creole Rock, Tintamarre, Pinel Island, Beach for lunch. Then we'll go over to Little Bay, probably to feed the angelfish, back to Maho to watch the airplanes come in, and then back to the Lagoon. So here we go.
And I was thinking that it was 2015.
Maybe it was 15. Okay.
It had the top.
Oh yeah. 2015 with our friend Susan that came with us. And that was a cold one.
It was.
Yeah. It was raining most of that day.
It had a cover, whereas the ones beforehand didn't have the cover, so it was scorched. So,
Here we go.
See you.
This is Captain Franco and B, our first mate. Buongiorno, buongiorno. Buongiorno.
They're taking care of us today, bringing us to Creole Rock.
So let's see what we do. Would you like a beer, sir, or a rum punch?
I will start with a beer.
Okay.
Beer 30.
You ready? Floating. 5 o'clock somewhere, right?
Yeah. It's only 10 o'clock here, but that'll work. Cheers.
Cheers.
Yes.
One of my favorite pastimes. Floating in the ocean on an excursion.
Cheers.
Wow, nice work. That was good.
Woo!
Hey, B! Yeah, not my first time, huh?
That sand is hot.
Yeah. Here, I'll tell them how hot that sand is. These are cool though. Hi y'all.
Hey guys.
That sand will burn your feet. Not even just your toes, but your
It
feet.
is hot.
It is, but there's a bathroom, so that's kind of cool.
Yeah, so we used the bathroom, saw some iguanas,
Yeah.
looked around the shop, and
Normally we just kind of, if we're on the excursion, we just hang out by the boat and drink, because that's my favorite pastime. But,
so we're probably going to be going back to do that. We
Yes.
did see a guy flying a drone out here.
yes.
Didn't get a chance to talk with him, but
Oh, did you see who it was?
yeah, I did see
Oh,
who
you
it
didn't go
was.
over and talk to him?
Nah, I didn't want to disturb their day, so
Yeah.
yeah.
We found
Next
a-
time we'll have to bring our drone.
Yes.
We should have a drone by then.
Yes, we should. Yes. All right, let's go drink some Carib,
Yep.
bobbing in the water.
Let's go bob in the water and drink some
Yeah.
Carib or
Come with us.
rum punch or something like that.
Yes.
Did you all enjoy Pinel Island?
Oh yeah.
Yes, this is my favorite place.
This is Little Bay, is that right?
Bay, Long Bay, Long Bay.
Long Bay.
Ah, yeah, there you are. A little bit of sunshade.
Yeah, so this is Long Bay. Normally this is where we would feed the angelfish, but visibility is not so great right now. So I don't know if you can see anything underwater. Airplane taking off from Maho. Time for another beer. Floating in the ocean. Nice, relaxing day
Watch out with your head.
with lots of cool stuff. Gotta watch your head, flying beers. amazing trip. So what did you think? What compared to previous years, how do you think this one was?
The first one I think was one of the best ones we've had, because it was the first time we ever went on, and we didn't know what to expect, and it was a lot of fun. The captain was great, and he only did it that 1 year, I think, and started his own company. I don't know, something.
I think so.
The second one had a top on it, and so it was really cold, and it was kind of overcast, so that wasn't very enjoyable. But I did really like the crew on this one that we had this year.
Yeah.
They made it a lot of fun, and did different things, and so I think that this one was up there in the top for sure.
It was a lot of fun. It was a bigger boat than we've been on in the past, so there were a lot of people on it. But at the same time, it was pretty much the same tour.
You had mentioned that it was a little crowded, or there was a lot of people on the boat. But we sat in the back of the boat, and so we had our own space, and it was kind of nice. We got to kind of spread out a little bit and enjoy it.
Had the whole back of the boat to ourselves. Several families were sitting up towards the bow of the boat. It was kind of nice. Normally we sit up in the bow.
We do.
In the past, that's what we've done. So you can bring your own snorkeling gear, or you can use the gear provided by Billy Bones. They have masks, they have snorkels. Don't have any fins though.
No fins.
Now there's a link in the description if you want to book your own tour with Billy Bones. We did the Echo Snorkeling Tour, and it was a lot of fun. There's other tours that you can book as well. You can go to Anguilla. You can rent the boat out all by yourself.
Hey, and if you've enjoyed our videos that we're putting out, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any.
And while you're at it, hit that thumbs up button. It really means a lot to us.
It does.
And now let's see what hit the cutting room floor. Bloopers time.
Alright, let's find some turtles.
Well, he said to hang around the boat. They'll come up.
Alright, push this down.
Wait.
A little bit in the way.
Okay. We saw a stingray. Are you?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. We saw a stingray. I
Yep.
actually saw it. I highly recommend it.
And the beer floats.
It does. So when they
As long as
throw it
it's
at
closed. Once it's open, yeah, it's just going to get full of water.
you, yeah, we don't want
Full of
that.
salt water. So, yeah, we don't want that.
So you can throw your iWatch, iPhone, wedding rings.
I think my dad would like this. I don't know. He likes to swim. He wouldn't like the snorkeling because he'd be afraid of fish. Oh no, this is my brother's thing.
Cheers.
Cheers! Oh wait, hold on, do it again.
Yeah, we are at Long Beach, right? Long Bay, not Long Beach.
Long Beach is Long Island.
Yeah, Long Bay. There's Long Beach, California too. Easy enough to get a refill. Just ask. Nothing like floating next to a boat where they just keep feeding you beer,
Yeah.
noodles, and just float out here in the beautiful Caribbean Sea.
Gas, 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 gas.
Can't catch it?
But we can try.